Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 23, 1916. At each thought about the passion of Jesus, the soul draws light from his humanity. Continuing in my usual state, my adorable Jesus made himself seen all surrounded with light, which came out from within his most holy humanity, and embellished him in such a way as to form an enchanting and enrapturing sight. I remained surprised, and he told me,
"My daughter, each pain I suffered, each drop of blood, each wound, prayer, word, action, step, etc., produced a light within my humanity, which embellished me in such a way as to keep all the blessed enraptured. Now, at each thought that the soul has about my passion, at each act of compassion, reparation, etc., she does nothing other than draw light from my humanity and be embellished in my likeness. So, each additional thought about my passion will be one more light, which will bring her eternal joy."